Yolanda Beltran, Silvia Gomez, David Vargas, and me. Our international menu in from Italy.
Toast bread with garlic butter. You take bread, oregano, garlic butter, placed in the oven. I got 2 minutes and ready.
Main courses: spaghetti to the bolognese.
Side orders: the spaghetti salad. It is a salad of cooked spaghetti accompanied by cooked vegetables and mixed with vinaigrette.
Beverages: amaretto. This liquor made with almond essence is usually taken as an appetizer or cocktail digestive. It is also very popular as an ingredient in confectionery.
This is a dessert, Italian fruit Macedonia. It is a combination of several fruit, cut small pieces, seasoned with sugar, orange juice, yogurt, milk cream, and ice cream.
Ingredients: ground beef, half a pound, butter, 50 grams, 1 tomato, spaghetti, 100 grams, 1 onion, salt, garlic, pepper to taste.
Preparation: heat the butter and oil. Add saucepan over medium heat. Saute the onion for a couple of minutes. Add the meat and season white garlic, salt, and ground pepper to taste.
Cook until golden brown and add the tomato puree. Cook over long heat until the meat has cooked and the puree and dry the lime.
Meanwhile, cook the spaghetti in a pot with boiling water and salt to taste until it is soft, about 10 minutes. Drain the spaghetti and place inside a refractory.
For the bolognese, sauce on top and break on medium heat for 10–15. Finally serve the spaghetti sprinkling Parmesan cheese.